Okay, so let's solve this question. Solution set for inequalities. Question says, given that x is an integer, find the lowest three values. Find the lowest three values which satisfy the inequality 3 over 5 into bracket x plus 2 close bracket minus 1 over 3 open bracket x plus 3 close bracket less than x plus 5. Now, if you observe carefully, there are denominators in this question. So the first thing you want to do is to eliminate the denominators. And how do you do that? By multiplying each of all these by a multiple of these. Alright? So find a number that both 5 and 3 can divide through without any remainder. If you notice, they are both prime numbers, so you can multiply them. Alright? 5 times 3, 15. So we'll multiply through by 15. If it were to be 2 and 4 as denominators, you use 4. If it were to be 2 and 3, you use 6. You use a number that they can divide through without any remainder. So I'm going to multiply through by 15. Right? So that means 15 will multiply 3 over 5 into brackets x plus 2, right, minus 15 will multiply 1 over 3 to brackets x plus 3, while is less than, then 15 will multiply x plus 5. Is that taken? Alright, so let's cut. 5 here 1, 5 here 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 5. There's nothing to cut here, no denominator here. So 3 times 3 will give us 9. So that means I have 9 into bracket x plus 2 minus, I have 5 here, right? I have 5 into bracket what? 5 times 1 is still 5, so x plus 3. Then I have less than 15. 15 times x, let's just leave it in that form, alright? We'll work on it. So let's now open the bracket. 9 times x, 9x, 9 times 2, 18. 5 times x, 5x, 5 times 3, 15. Then less than 15 times x, 15x, 15 times 5, that's 75. So now we have 9x minus 5x, that's 4x. 18 minus 15, that's 3. Less than or equal to, there's nothing to add here. 15x cannot add 75. Alright, so this way, remember 15x is greater, so let 4x go and meet it. So I have what? I have 3 minus 75 is less than 15x minus 4x. So that means I have 3 minus 75, that's minus 72. Less than or equal to the 15 minus 4x, that's 11x. So now I'll divide both sides by 11. But before I do that, observe, your x is not supposed to be on your right hand side. So let's move it. And when we move it, the sign changes. So that means 11x is greater than or equal to minus 72. So now we can divide by the coefficient of x, which is 11. So that means now I have what? 11x over 11 greater than or equal to minus 72 over 11. So when this cuts this, x equals to, how many times can 11 go in 72? I think 6 times, remaining 6 over 11. Remember, there's a negative sign. Now on the number line, take notes. When I have 0, I have positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. For negative sign, it goes backward like this. Like this, right? Take notes. Please, on the negative line, the ones here are lower than this one. So minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Right? In that manner. So now we said find the 3 lowest values. 3 lowest values. And if I have minus 6 whole number, that's 6 points. That means this one is above 6. So the lowest value will be minus 6. Alright? Moving forward, minus 6, minus 5, and minus 4. Those will be the 3 lowest values. Remember that If we're going to have minus 6 points, it's going to be beyond 6. Let me try to show you something on the number line. Alright? Let me try to show you something on the number line. Now, if I have minus 6, here it's going to be minus 7. Here it's going to be minus 8. So that means minus 6 points will be within minus 6 and minus 7. So moving closer to 0, the three possible values will now be, since minus 6 whole number 6 over 11 is here, so that means the three possible number will now be minus 6, minus 5, and minus 4. Those are the lowest three values which satisfy this inequality. So I'm going to solve one more question. Please watch the next video so that you can get this.